Hi everyone, welcome to How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a quick and easy fixes on how to fix TikTok notifications not working problem. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If your TikTok notification is not working on your Android device, then the first thing to do is to make sure that you have connected to your mobile device to an internet. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data if you've not yet. You can also try turning on your flight mode and wait for a couple of seconds, turn it off back again, and once connected to a stable internet connection, you might be able to solve your notifications error. But if the network is not an issue, then the next thing to do is to check if you've enabled notifications for your TikTok application on your mobile device. Go and tap on the settings button from the app drawer, and from the settings menu, scroll down until you find the apps option. Give it a tap, and from the list of the apps displayed on the screen, search for TikTok. Tap on the TikTok app, and now scroll down to notifications tab. Give it a tap and make sure that you've enabled notifications by toggling on the button right next to show notification. You can now go back once you enable the notification setting for TikTok, and you might be able to fix your notification not receiving problem on TikTok. You can also turn on push notifications from your TikTok app. Tap open your TikTok application from the app drawer, and once you're logged in, tap the profile button at the bottom right. From your profile page, tap on the hamburger menu located at the upper right hand corner. Select settings and privacy from the pop-up, and under content and activity, tap on push notifications. Now make sure that you've enabled the notifications that you want to receive by tapping on the little toggle button right next to the option. Once you enable push notifications, you'll be able to receive notifications from your TikTok app even when you are not using the application. Once you make these changes on your TikTok app, you'll be able to get instant notifications from your TikTok app for regular updates. That was how you can do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.